Hey all, thanks for joining me today. I will be making the Mario question block. I can't remember where I downloaded it from or who made it. I have been searching and just can't seem to find it. But yeah, let's enjoy the rest of the video. So as you can see, I'm removing the supports from this build. This build was quite easy. I used tree supports and printed this on a raft. This total print time was about 2 hours, including the white parts. Using the needle nose pliers, quite simple to remove. Yeah. So as you can see, I am struggling to put these white bits in. I thought they were going to go in nice and smoothly, it looked like they fit, but while I'm putting the lid on, I cannot for the life of me get this to fit. It is tight, I'm hearing creaking, I'm hearing a bit of cracking, and now I'm just wondering, did I print it wrong? Now I'm using the pliers to squeeze these white bits in. They seem to be going a bit smoother, but I am leaving marks onto this block, which I didn't want to do. Trying to put the lid in now. It goes in a bit further, but it is still tough to get in. I am putting a lot of force in. Getting angry now. Like I said, I'm putting out the big tools. I'm literally using a hammer to hammer it in. Before that cut happened, it was on the edge of the table, hammer it, and as you can see, I have broken off a piece. Using the pliers now to trim it off and push it back into place. But as you will see in a minute, it doesn't all go as well. So, here's some I made earlier. Little blue Peter reference for some of you there. Done it in blue, green, gold, and obviously the red. Really like the gold color. Red is my favorite color, but I did like this gold one. It came out really nicely. I didn't have as much trouble getting in the lid with the others, but they all did need a bit of force just to get it in. But yeah, it's time to move on to the wonderful glamour shot / animation. Let's go. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you get a chance, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Mr. Campbell Prince. It's been great spending time with you. So sweet baby G.